Hey y'all, welcome back. So today I'm going to be cleaning the kitchen, the living room, and dining room. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to head over to my bedroom and fold some laundry and put that away. So if you're in need of a little cleaning motivation, then stick around. If you like videos like these, then hit the thumbs up, subscribe, do all that good stuff for me. I'm a brand new channel, so I would appreciate any love I could get. So anyway, I'm just going to hop into this and start cleaning. I hope y'all enjoy, and I hope it gets you motivated.
This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run.
And as you can see, I'm just here in the kitchen. I'm just putting away some dishes and stuff like that. I am so sorry about the lighting. Sometimes it gets lines like that during the day, so anyway, it does stop. This is the only part that it does this at, but I just wanted to come on and explain that.
See, my hands are shaking from the urge of being with him. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hit him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and he has the same effect on me. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip on myself.
I'm not really going to talk too much in this voiceover, only because I'm a little under the weather. My voice is cracking and it's just hard for me to talk right now. So anyway, I'm just going to let y'all watch me clean until the end, and I hope y'all enjoy that. Sorry about that. I just don't really feel like talking too much.
He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you.
And now we're in the living room, and as you can see, it's just overtaken by kids now. But I'm just going to straighten up in here, and in the next video you'll see that my husband and I rearranged the whole thing, and we also rearranged my whole bedroom. So we're just going to try that out and see if we like it. I already like the living room a lot better. So anyway, yeah, you'll see that in the next video.
about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business.
And now the day is kind of winding down and I can finally get the laundry put away. This is something I just hate to do, and usually I like to do a load every day and put it away every day, because that way once it starts piling up I get overwhelmed and I don't even want to deal with it. So anyway, I had a few loads here to put away, and so I'm just going to get that done and then I'm going to head out of here. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope it got y'all motivated. And like I said before, I'm sorry I didn't talk much. I'm a little under the weather. Hopefully I'll be better next time and y'all can see the changes we made with the house. So anyway, thank y'all so much for watching, and like I said, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe if you like videos like this, and leave a comment below. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye guys.
No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. Your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.